Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking Up Love. I am so excited to be sharing our recipe today for easy air fryer chicken wings with a dry rub and barbecue sauce. First, they're tossed in a super flavorful dry rub. They cook for about 25 minutes and they're delicious with just the rub, or we like to toss them with a little barbecue sauce. The chicken is tender and juicy with crispy skin and lots of flavor. Let me show you how we make these. You'll need 1 to 3 pounds of chicken wings. And for the dry rub, you'll need kosher salt, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. And then your favorite sauce. I've got some Frank's wing sauce and barbecue sauce. Okay, so now we're going to make the dry rub for the chicken wings. Measure out 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Use your favorite and measure out 2 teaspoons of this. This is enough seasoning for 1 batch of wings, about 9 or 10. To season these up, I'm going to put the chicken right in here and mix it to get the seasoning all over. I'm using the party wings from Costco, and I really wish that I could get just flats. Those are my favorites. Let me know in the comments, do you like flats or drums? And hey, if this is your first time at our channel, welcome! We're making easy and delicious recipes every week. And if you subscribe and hit the bell, you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. My air fryer has been preheating to 400 degrees, and I'm going to put the chicken in a single layer with some space around the pieces. To get crispy wings, the hot air needs to be able to circulate, and I usually do the chicken wings in batches. Cook these for 25 minutes. And give the wings a flip halfway through the cooking time, and then put them in for about another 10 minutes. I'm putting about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce into a clean bowl and then adding the finished wings. They're crispy and juicy, and you can stop here with just the dry rub. They are so delicious. Before the air fryer cools down, I'm going to add the next batch of wings with the dry rub and set this to cook for 25 minutes. If you're cooking for a crowd and want to serve them all at one time, put the finished wings into a low oven about 225 degrees without sauce, and then sauce the wings once you're ready to serve. Give the wings a toss with your favorite sauce, barbecue, buffalo, or sriracha. Look how good these look. I wish you guys could taste these. Air fryer wings are so easy to make at home. Give them a try for the next game day. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make air fryer wings today. If you did, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you make these, I'd love to hear what you think. Alright, I've linked up a playlist of all of our easy game day recipes for you up here. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.